when we attach as children to our parent, there's various ways we sort of keep that attachment going. And usually if it's the parent's good enough, not perfect, like those ways we keep it going actually enhance our lives. And it's a good thing. But in the case if you have a narcissistic parent, the ways we sort of continue that attachment to that parent can be at least three. There may be others, but there's three ways we do that. We can act in similar ways to that parent. We can find others who treat us in similar manners as that parent, and we can treat ourselves the same way the parent did. And so that second way of kind of maintaining our like early sense of attachment is kind of what's at risk here. And the sort of, if someone's endured this kind of treatment and had to adapt to it, the very way they adapted to it could be the thing that kind of maybe skews their radar towards someone who is narcissistic themselves. That even though the quality of the experience with that person may feel, very unsatisfying, it's very familiar and carries with it the kind of like pastiche together kind of like sense of security that was all they kind of had, when they were very young. And so wanting to kind of disambiguate that sort of fragile sense of attachment with like, what if someone really, kind-hearted, generous comes into one's life, and, what that kind of relationship might feel like, and being able to seize those opportunities.